I've just been to school nativity and feeling it. I'm feeling I'm up for
You're
it.
giving it?
I'm up for
Are
it.
you
Yeah.
more energised after being at a nativity, brother?
Some of the future performers right there in front of us, some future stars on that stage.
Talent spot.
Unbelievable. As like Simon Cowell or Louis Walsh.
Yeah.
Loved it.
Yeah.
Tremendous.
You definitely were in the school play.
I did for our school's Christingle service.
Sorry?
Did your schools not do a Christingle service?
I've never heard of
Chris Dingle.
Christingle. So you get an orange and you put a candle in the orange and then you sing hymns. This is certainly a thing.
Now, I remember
The most East
people...
Belfast thing I've ever heard.
The song I did at the Christingle service, Empire State of Mind by Jay-Z. So
All parts?
the choir behind
the
me,
choir
I,
did the
I just did
New
the...
York.
Yeah, they did that. Singing Empire State of Mind in fucking East Belfast.
Did you kill it?
I killed it as hard as you could doing Jay-Z to a bunch of 90-year-olds
And
waiting for death.
Were you holding the orange while you were doing it? With the yeah, I mean, I'd love to see that.